Hi friends, welcome to my channel Aroma at Usha. Today I am going to show a millet noodles recipe, that is foxtail millet noodles using homemade noodles masala powder. Foxtail millet is known as Thinai in Tamil and Tina in Malayalam. These millets are very healthy and has high fiber content. I am going to prepare the vegetarian style of noodles now. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I have taken 180 grams of foxtail millet noodles, 1 liter of water to cook the noodles, salt to cook the noodles, few drops of oil to be added while cooking the noodles. Then to saute, I have taken 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, 1 medium size onion sliced, 2 numbers of sliced tomato, half portion of capsicum sliced, 2 numbers of carrot julienne, 10 numbers of chopped beans, 2 tablespoons of homemade noodles masala powder, half of lime, salt. To prepare noodles masala powder, take 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi seeds, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 numbers of 2-inch size cinnamon stick, quarter piece of nutmeg, that is jadika, 3 numbers of cloves, 1 number of red chilli, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of whole wheat flour. Now I am going to prepare the noodles masala powder. For this I am going to dry roast the ingredients slightly. Don't switch on the flame now. Place a kadai on the top of your stove and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add 2 numbers of 2-inch size cinnamon stick. Add 3 numbers of cloves. Add quarter piece of nutmeg. Add 1 dry red chilli. Now switch on the flame and dry roast slightly until it becomes hot and aromatic. When you are about to switch off, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add quarter teaspoon of whole wheat flour. Give a quick stir 2 or 3 times and switch off the flame. Blend everything using a mixer jar into fine powder. This is the noodles masala powder. This is the foxtail millet noodles. I have bought it from nearby organic shop in my hometown. Now I am going to cook the noodles. I have taken 1 liter of water in a vessel and I am going to bring it to boil. Now it's been boiling. Add required amount of salt for the noodles to cook. Now add few drops of oil. Simmer the flame and add the noodles in the boiling water and increase the flame. Cook until it becomes soft. Now it's cooked. Switch off the flame and drain the water. Wash it in running water once or twice and keep it aside. Now heat a kadai and add 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Let the oil get heated. Add 1 medium size sliced onion and saute it. Add required amount of salt for the onion to saute. Now the onion has started changing its color. Add sliced capsicum. Saute for a while. Add 2 sliced tomatoes. Add chopped beans. Add julienne carrots. Saute for 1 minute. Cover it with a lid and cook until the raw smell of the vegetables disappear. Now the raw smell is gone. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. Now don't saute the ginger and garlic. Sprinkle little water. Add little amount of salt. Mix it well. Cover it with a lid and cook until the raw smell of the ginger and garlic disappear, and also until the vegetable becomes soft. Now the vegetables are well cooked and also the raw smell of ginger and garlic have disappeared. Add 2 tablespoons of noodles masala powder which we have prepared earlier. You can use this noodles masala powder to prepare any type of noodles. Now mix it well. If it dries up, sprinkle little water and again stir well. Now add the cooked noodles and toss it. Now it is done. Switch off the flame and squeeze half of lime. After adding lime juice, mix well. Check salt and add if necessary. Very healthy and very tasty foxtail millet noodles is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Try this recipe at home and give your valuable feedback.